Hi everyone, today I want us to review the blender called Nutribullet. My name is Anne. So the Nutribullet is a very good blender as far as from my interaction with it. So it comes with a very heavy, this is a heavy mortar that should not be washed or put in water. It also comes with jugs. It comes with two unbreakable jugs. One is bigger than the other, and both of them have a mark of the maximum limit of whatever quantity you want to blend. So there's a mark there. So the jugs are unbreakable. It also comes with other parts. Like this is what you use to blend. The dark part, yeah, that one goes to the mortar, and then these are the place that has blades is the one that goes to blend. So just make sure it's tight, it's very well tightened before you start to use it. It also comes with this part that you hold as a jug and the lid. So once you're done, you can just store your smoothie or whatever it is that you are blending. And this one is also good. Like for example, if you're traveling and you need to enjoy your smoothie on your way, just put it there and you're good to go. So to blend, what you need to do is just put the jug upside down and then it locks. You need to, you will be able to see the parts where it needs to interlock. You just make sure it has interlocked. Alafu kisha uweke kwa steamer, put it on and then you press. So pale unaweka kwa socket kwa steamer and then you press it hard. Press it like, just like push it down. It blends for like a minute. Once it's okay, unlock it. Unlock it when it's still on, and that's it. As far as my experience, Nutribullet is a great blender, and if you're interested in purchasing it, get my contact from the description and I'll be able to deliver it to you anywhere in the country. Thank you so much for watching.